This is a test of NWR radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NWR radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. This is a test of NWR radio's warning alarm device. And is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following. This is a test of NWR radio's warning alarm device, and is being run in conjunction with a warning service possible. These alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NWR. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
Oh, it's because of the stupid antenna. Yeah, forget about them. But I think STO failed. They sent the same script twice. Yeah, they literally sent the same script twice. I don't know what happened there. Let me take a look at the log. Tehama, Glen, Plumas, and Butte. Okay, that was the first one. And then it's the second one. Okay, so it was sent correctly, but they used the same script from the first one for whatever reason. Yeah, it's really weird. So STO kind of failed on that one. But other than that, everybody else activated. Obviously. Let me turn that off so I can acknowledge the thing. Put that back. 300 finally activated. It didn't activate for the first one. And you got these. This doesn't matter because it's 1050 hertz only. But this does. Oh yeah, there you have it. Everyone's successful. Minus the script part, but I'll take it.